Financial Liberty, where we talk about all things money. So in today's video, it's another cash envelope stuffing video. We'll be stuffing this cash right here. And today I just want to take you through the process of how I budget, how I calculate the money I want, and to make sure it's in the right change. And today's a bit different because it's the second salary and it doesn't cover all expenses like the first one. It just covers, okay, I'll take you through the whole process and tell you more about the salary as we go. So this is how I do the budget plan. So it's December 2020. So I would first write the salary, and today I'm budgeting 10,520. Most of this salary, the reason why I decided to get an additional income stream is because I wanted to save more money for my financial goals. So most of this money goes to savings and the first salary goes to my expenses. So this is why you will see that always start with tithes, standard procedure. And in this case it's 10%, so that is 1,052. And then I usually write salary after tithes, which in this case is 9468. 9468. And then after that we go to savings. So under savings I always start with investing, and I usually budget not just by amount but by percentage. So like I explained, most of the percentage will go to savings, and in this case it will be 4,450 to investing, and to actual savings it will also be 4,450. There are no expenses, really very few expenses, no groceries, no toiletries, just transport. And because like I explained, the salary is mostly for savings. If you want to know and you're doing for like your groceries and those things, I strongly recommend that you consult your bank statement so you can see how much you spend on food and different things, so you don't underspend and you don't overspend, and budget appropriately. And then after savings it's always expenses, and we start with needs, and my needs are just transport for this budget because everything else is already covered by the previous one. So that will be 379. And wants, so my wants will be treats, the treat yourself, and giving. I don't have enough space, but you get the picture. So for treats it will be 95 because most is covered by the previous budget, and also 94. Okay, so this is what I will use. These are savings, these are the needs, these are the ones, and December 2020 salary, and this is the salary. Okay, so after I draw up my budget, what I usually do is that, so I can know how many notes or the change I want, in case you want to withdraw this money from the bank, so you know how many hundreds, how many 500s you need. I usually tally up, so I'll start with 500 notes, and then 200, and 200, 100, 50s, 20s, 5s, 2s, and 1s. And then from there I will calculate according to the budget I drew up, how many 500s. So for we'll start with the expenses, which is tithes. So we need 2 500s and 50 and 52. And then for investing we need 500, 1000, 1500, 1200, 2000, 2.53, 3.54, 4400 to 450. So this is how I continue the whole process until I tally up the whole amount. So 1000, 2000, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4000 and 50. And then for transport it is 350, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. For treats it's 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. And for giving it's also 50, 60, 70, 80, 94. And let me just double check if everything is okay. Yes, it seems like everything is fine. That's how I tally up. And then from here then I move to stuffing the envelopes and making sure I have the amounts of notes that I calculated. So here's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 500 notes. And then we need 3 200 notes, 3 200 notes. Oh, okay, actually we need 4 200 notes by mistake. 5 200 notes. 5 200 notes. Yes, and so that will be 5 200 notes. And then we need 100 notes and 6 50s, 1 2 7 50s, 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 50s and 5 20s, 1 2 3 4 5 20s, 2 5s, 2 5s, and just move that over. And then we need 5 2s, 1 2 3 4 5 2s and 0 1s. Okay, from here I start stuffing the envelopes, starting with tithes as usual, and I don't need this, I just need my budget from this step. So tithes are 1052, 1050, 2, and then we stuff that envelope. And investing is 4,450. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,400 and 50. Same goes for savings. 1,000, 2, 3, 4,000, 400 and 50. Savings done, and then we go to transport. We just need 350 and 60 and 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So transport will be 379. And for giving is 94. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2, 94. And this month's treats will be 95, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. So it fluctuates, it's not always the same each month depending on the salary and the expenses. So I hope you learned something. If you learned anything from this video, please comment down below. How do you save your money? How do you budget? Any tips so we can interact in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and always remember, you're not broke, you are rich trying to discover where your riches are. Bye, till next time.